All right, here we go. You know how many times people ask me how I do my hair? And you know how many times I have to repeat myself? It's fine. This necklace is really stunning, but it just keeps turning on me. I got this from Shein, by the way, so... First up, we're going to try the Dry Till Dawn Secure the Sweat Primer from One Size. So this is like the most extraordinary stuff you have ever tried. If you've never tried a primer, girl, you better get on that. All you need is like a little tiny pea-sized amount. And I don't mean urine. I meant pea, like pea size. This is like a 24-hour Secure the Sweat because you know what? Even though if you're going to be doing the nasties, you shouldn't be doing the nasties. I'm going to put just a little bit here, a little bit there. The color of this is not something you should be thinking about. And we're gonna let it sink into our skin just like so. Check out my nails, it's so beautiful. The trick to this primer is that you have to let it dry for 1 minute or 2, that's fine, and then you can start your makeup. If you're trying to get rid of your hyperpigmentation, this is what I normally use from the One Size concealer, and let me tell you, this is like a very butter silky that you're gonna grab all the little silkworms and just kind of place them in a box, and all you're gonna need is just one little swoop on each of your blotches, and then you're just gonna slap the crap out of your face because you enjoy that, honey. You know, the day that Patrick Starrr came out with this butter silk concealer, I was so happy. Patrick Starrr made this formula so good. All right, I put my foundation on my face and I put contour on as we went. One Size eyeshadow quad, and it has 4 colors. You got 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. Look at the gorgeous packaging. I'm going to use the shade Oh My Dear and put it as my transition color. Look at this gorgeous shade. You just sweep it and it's so buttery smooth. I'm going to put some on the bottom as well while I'm at it. I'm going to take Santa Snack and I'm going to put it on the lid right here. Y'all, when I say this, oh my God, I did not expect that to happen. Chocolates are soaring right about now because that's what it reminds me of. I'm going to blow this out just a little bit so that way it kind of transition with the other color. Blend it all the way through. Now I'm going to put this on my lower lash line just like my dog knew how to poop on the floor. I'm taking this, it's a wrap, and I'm going to put it on the lid. I know you're probably wondering how I got it so shimmery. Go ahead and use like a mixing medium of some sort so that way you can mix your shimmer shadow and just kind of like let it kind of foil up a little bit, and voila. Now we're going to use a Brow Kiki Defining a Brow Pencil from One Size. And let me tell you, this is like a really slim draw a cat on a piece of paper or a dog. Every little hairs on your eyebrows is going to turn out just fantastic, like you just want to pet your eyebrow. All the little tiny hairs you see, you can draw as many hairs as you want. Look at all these tiny little hairs. It's filling in every tiny little gap. I've been looking for something like this, and you know what? Every time I look, nobody has it. This is medium brown, by the way. Now we're going to put the Kiki Brown Gel from One Size, and this is in the shade of medium brown, just like I said a while ago on the brow liner. This one does have a little spoolie for you to seal the deal with your eyebrows. Oh, and guess what? We get to take a break. Let's go ahead and do a little smoothie right in my room. Are you ready? I'm so excited to do this. I wanted to do this like on my YouTube channel, and I was like, oh my gosh, are they gonna judge me? You better not. Do you see this dealy bobber? Yes, it's a blender, and I do not recommend. This is from a Dollar General. It's called Toastmaster. The numbers came off of it. What you're gonna need is a little bit of ice. Just pour it in there. You're gonna take about 1/4 cup of strawberries and 1/4 cup of pineapple chunks. You just stick or do in there. Pop the top. All right, here we go. Something's not working. I told you it's a piece of crap. 10 years later. So it took me like forever. So that's why I said don't ever buy this stuff, because like it's not even gonna be worth your while. You're gonna be waiting like 10 years to try and blend something together. Grab any glass, and then all you're gonna do is just kind of like pour it in here like so. And then you just grab your strawberry and you just kind of like, and there you go, guys. You have yourself a nice smoothie. I'm not gonna lie, but this is so good. Now on to the next. We have the One Size Bodacious Black Point Made Eyeliner, and this is a liquid point felt liner. Look at the fine point. Fine point right about there. This liquid liner does work for some people. It does not work for everybody. This is not made for oily eyelids, okay? This is next. This is a 24-hour gel liner pencil from One Size, and look at it. It is so short because I've used so much of it and I hardly have any left. One Size actually came up with a pencil sharpener so that way you can sharpen your pencil. I have used this pencil liner so many times. I love it. Onto the One Size Fantasize mascara that Patrick Starrr also made. Tell him how we love him. Put this on like nobody's business. Girl, you just gotta move on with your life. Now onto the cheek clapper. This is a 3D blush trio, and it is called a Thirsty, yes sir, and Kisses Please. This is like pink. This is like Barbie pink. Like, what am I doing? I'm gonna take this first shade right here, and I'm just gonna kind of like a dipper do in here. Right there. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is like so pigmented pink. Ooh. I'm gonna take this middle one. All right, this is what we have. I am really blushing. Oh, oh wow, that's cold. All right, on to the next. Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder. If you guys have never tried this, oh my gosh. Buttery silk. Yes, girl. Oh wow, that's a little dark for me. Okay, a little tip for you guys. If you guys get this shade, get it like 1 shade lighter or 2 shades lighter because it's a disaster. Let me tell you about this Joella Puss Lip Snatcher. It has a matte lipstick, right? And it has a lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. I love gorgeous color. Okay, onto the Lip Snatcher. This is code word. This is a lip filler pencil that everybody talks about. Honestly, this pencil is so creamy. You guys are gonna love it. Now I'm gonna put the gloss. These lips are really snatching. This is a One Size Luminous Preserve the Serve. Preserve the Serve setting mist. My makeup stays on all day long. Here we go. Hello? Anybody there? Oh. Oh my god, I broke it. Oh. Why is this happening to me? All right, we're just gonna have to skip the setting mist, okay? This is what my makeup looks like, and I hope you guys like it. Next time, I will plan to do a whole pink look instead of a pink and a... But you know what? I kind of like it. It gives it a little, how do you say, a little character to my face. And don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel and whatnot. So, nice little chunk there. All right, see you guys another time. I love you guys. Bye-bye.